high-level techniques, skillful experiences, and masterful craftsmanship. All of these define Samsung non-ferrous metal. Samsung Metal Company Limited. In 1995, the history of Samsung non-ferrous metal began. Despite the difficulties imposed by the 1998 East Asian financial crisis and the price increase of raw materials, the company has been firmly pursuing the single path of copper alloy casting. Samsung non-ferrous metal is a copper alloy manufacturer specialized in casting, which has persistently supplied products to prominent domestic foreign companies, including Hyundai Heavy Industries, for more than 25 years. The company has the greatest production capabilities and marine certificates in South Korea, and a various material alloy such as JIS, ASTM, etc. is possible following international standards. Sand casting is a casting-based manufacturing process to create products with the wanted shape by pouring and hardening the melted metal into sand molds. In general, metal materials are not easy to make a shape because of a high level of deformation resistance. However, sand casting can create metal products with wanted shapes by injecting the melted metals into a sand mold. The process of sand casting follows in order from casting method design establishment, mold production, materials melting, injection, and post-treatment. The centrifugal casting method is a casting process to produce tube casting products, such as casting sleeve, by putting the molten metal into a cylinder mold and spinning it at high speed so that the molten metals are compressed to the interior wall of the mold by the centrifugal force and become solidified. Compared to sand casting, the centrifugal casting process produces final products that are denser, have fewer defections, and take a high level of mechanical properties. Depending on the direction of the mold rotation, the centrifugal casting method has two different types, vertical and horizontal. The advantage of centrifugal casting is that compared to sand casting, final products are denser, have fewer defections, and take a high level of mechanical properties. Samsung non-ferrous metal is a manufacturing company specialized in copper and copper alloy products. Our company produces a large-size pump casing and impeller, which have a high level of difficulty in casting. Through the sand casting process, both bush and liner parts, which take the role of bearing to fraction parts, are produced by the centrifugal casting process. For marine products, we have propeller cap, shaft sleeve, engine ring, pump, etc. Our company is also able to produce a varying size of valve material casting from a large-sized valve that weighs more than 5 tons to a small-sized valve of 1 kilogram. Furthermore, the company is supplying diverse copper alloy products through a customized manufacturing method to more than 100 domestic and foreign companies. Samsung non-ferrous metal is equipped with facilities that are optimal for the production of copper alloy casting, and experienced engineers are making constant efforts to produce the best products. A total of 6 electric furnaces melt metals with more than 1,000 degrees Celsius, and depending on the features of the products, diverse molding process lines can be utilized, such as the CO2 molding line or the furan casting line. A large-sized facility for the centrifugal casting process is another competitive facility that distinguishes our companies from others. Despite the fact that the company specializes in casting processes, the company can also process for both rough grinding and finishing because it is equipped with 2 boring machines, 3 turning machines, 6 lathe machines, radial milling machines, etc. With a spectrometer and a universal testing machine, it is also possible to do a mechanical and chemical analysis. Furthermore, the company is introducing cutting-edge casting technologies such as the Casting Fluid Analysis Program. Our company is the original company that introduced the copper alloy centrifugal casting process for the first time to South Korea in 1979 and is holding 4 patents about centrifugal casting. The fact that among copper alloy casting firms, our company holds the most marine certificates such as DNVGL, BV, ABS, RS, LR, KR, etc. is one of the greatest competitiveness of our company. In the field of copper alloy casting, Samsung Nonferrous Metal is the most recognized company in South Korea. As an officially designated casting expert company by Korean government, the company has shown high export growth rates ever since it started direct export in 2016. Global companies such as Wärtsilä and Sulzer, etc. registered our company as the Tier 1 vendor. As the third most widely used and the first discovered metal, copper has been a necessary metal for diverse industries. In the field of copper alloy material manufacture, Samsung Nonferrous Metal will make constant efforts for customer satisfaction and will be a company that creates innovative technology. Samsung Metal Company Limited.